Good morning and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, why am I switching from bamboo filament to sunlow? I'll explain in this video in a little bit. But first, so good morning and welcome back to the channel. So I've been printing something different this week. Look, I've got that. I'll take that out and show you because that didn't look right, did it? The jack. So someone sent me a file and says, can you print me it? So I went, yeah, no problem. So the Etsy channel, right, and eBay has just kicked off. I don't know why. Has it hit the algorithm or something? I don't know. Also, I've done M&M. Should I call it M&M? It looks like an M&M, doesn't he, with his haircut? We got Duck Vader. I found all these ducks, right, on Maker World, right, and I'm having so much fun making them. I don't put them on my sale for site or anything because I'm not allowed with these ones. I ain't got Patreon, but I've enjoyed printing these. I'm going to sell them and whatnot, to tell you the truth. So we got Duck Vader, Duck Backer, Duck Darth Maul. I think they call him Maul. I don't know what they call him. He's out of Star Wars, isn't he? And of course, my favourite, R2 Duck 2. I love the quality on these. They're amazing. They're amazing. Oh, I did Chuck Norris as well. Well, not Chuck Norris. What shall I call him? Duck Norris. Duck Norris. Someone says, can they print some scary stuff? So, I don't know how that duck's scary like, but it's, is it a sai, they call it? I'm not sure. I did a ghost with a pumpkin, which I got off STL Flicks. And for you Batman fans, we done Elvis, Duck Elvis. I don't know what his name is. And I printed Deadpool Duck as well. It came out small. I thought they were all the same size, but I guess I'm going to have to resize that if I print it again. I enjoyed doing that one actually. That was on me Anacubic, all these, by the way, which didn't use much filament whatsoever. Oh, and I printed this one as well. It's some vampire. So far, that's all I've got for this week that I've printed. Not much really, is it? So I'll come back to you when we're doing something else to add more to this video, because I'm sure this video isn't long enough. Oh, I printed this car. I just remembered. Look at that. Now this was on Anacubic. So the kit card guy, I believe, that does these. And he's got all different vehicles, well 50 of them actually. And basically you just print it as it is. You know what I mean? It comes pre-coloured. So I stuck it on Anacubic. It did take about 2 days to print. So do be careful of that. It'd be nice if you stuck it into little parts. You know, like all these into separate parts, because there were a lot of poop in this, because it got all headlights and everything. But I enjoyed the print. I've still got to take all the supports off and put all the wheels together and that. But I'll show you that later on in the video. Well, in this video actually, because I think that's going to look good. And if my son sees this, he's going to nick it. Or no, knowing him, he'll want an Audi, won't he? That's what he'll want. So I have found an Audi for him. So I might print it for him and surprise him. Or maybe not if you're watching, son. I might not. And I've started, can you guess who that is yet? He's got a bit more, he needs a body now. I've done the head. I just need some eyes and stuff. But I think you can guess who that's going to be, can't you? I'll show you that later on in the video. We've got another order off Etsy. Chuck Norris. And I tell you what, I've just joined the Patreon of my ducks, because I do like my ducks. So I've just been listed and they sold last night, a couple, Laurel and Hardy. And believe it or not, they're going to Italy. Is still building their Christmas tree. So I'd like to know what colours they've sent me to try, so we know what we're printing. So what have we got? We've got a red. That's a nice colour, red, isn't it? So red and white means Santa at the moment, doesn't it? Black. And we need another Christmas colour. green, bright green. So we're going to try out these colours. So we open them and show you one. How deep green that is. That is brilliant. That's a dark black. White. I don't like that green though. And we got a red as well. It's like a deep red. It's not a bright red. It's like a matte colour. But it's PLA definitely. So this is not normal PLA, believe it or not. This is their new PLA plus 2. So we are going to try this. It is still 1.57. You know, it's still 1.75 mil, same as any other brand. So these come on 1 kilo reels, and what we're going to do is basically try them out, see what they're like. So we've got the green, the black, the white and the red. So let's find some files to print, and we'll print them on the Anycubic because it saves a lot of filament, doesn't it? So let's try these out. PLA plus 2, that's normal PLA, that's normal PLA, and this is PLA plus. New filament, new brand, it should print perfectly. So the files that we're going to print, and these files that I'm going to print are off my STL flicks, and we're going to print the anti-bear, the anti-penguin, the granite, the reindeer, the tree that goes with it, all of them, the Santa Claus and the anti-elf, the snowman, oh, and that's another anti-bear as well, penguin, yeah, I think they've repeated them. But basically that is what we're going to make. I know there's a few different colours in there, but as you know, I've got a few colours, like every one of them. But I have been looking into changing a brand because, as you know, the bamboo filament is just crap. So I'm glad they sent this for us to test, because we'll see if this is any better. Because with the bamboo, well, you don't know, all I do is get blockages and breakdowns because of the filament. It dries out so quick. So hopefully with the PLA 2 plus and the PLA plus, this should be something new. So let's find out if it's going to work, if it's going to work at the printer. Are we going to have any blockages? We don't know. But I am going to do it on the Anycubic, and I will print it in the bamboo printers as well. So let's crack on and get printing. I've just noticed straight away, unravelling it, look. It's not, I'll show you, right? This is the Sunlow, right? And I'll show you a bamboo one. See, this is the bamboo ones, right? See, it just snaps straight away, right? And then you get the Sunlow one, right? So as you can see, it has bent it, but it hasn't snapped. So this is why I'm getting, and before you even say in the comments, I have dried this out already. So I don't know what it is. So let's print it and see what happens. Printed that one. Print this one now. Ooh, that's smooth, isn't it? Well, that's the first part. And this guy's ready as well. So that's what waste come off that. We'll put it together in a bit. That's one. And this Anycubic, I forgot to put my tray away. Look, I left it there. So that ain't the poop from all this, believe it or not. That's from a couple, but I must have kicked it and it must have fell over. But got some waste, and you've got one there and one there. Just they need gluing together. Right, time to print a few more. Next piece is ready. Woohoo! Put that on there. I cannot believe how well this filament is printing. Good so far. And we got another piece ready, which is the base. It's coming along. That's another one done on the Anycubic. Oh, it get mixed up in his poop. And we'll put that in there. This one's ready as well. No, it's not. It's had a bit of a bobo. That's crazy, isn't it? Crazy. So that is the bamboo, and that's the anacubic. So it shows you, doesn't it? So this is a bamboo printer with some, as you can see, got the bamboo ones in it, and then this one has the sunlow filament in it, which you can see just come out. So do you get my point? What's going on here? This is why I'm changing filaments. So we've got a base. We've got 1, 2, 3. So I'm assuming the big one goes on the bottom one. Oh, look at that. Then we've got the next layer. Then we've got the next layer, which, as you can see, they're just slopped together. Oh, they clipped together actually. So now we've got a base, and they're, oh, look at that. Ooh. That looks better, doesn't it? We've got to fill him up. And then we've got some bits to sort out. I thought I'd start with penguin first, putting that together while rest printing. Bit of glue in there. And put him in there. We'll put him on there to dry. We've got the green one next. So that's the green one. Put him on there to dry. We've got the Elfie one. Oh, by the way, when I buy this glue, I buy this off of Amazon. And it comes with 4 of these on top. So you get it precise, exactly where you want. And you get 2 for about £5. So let's stick his hat on. Needs his bowl on his hat. And then he wants his body a couple of drips. And put him right way around. And that's that one. We'll give him 10 minutes and they should be dry. And they're drying well. That's 4 of them anyway. And as you can hear in the background, I can't remember, 6, 7, 8, I think there's 8 of them in there. I think anyway. But that'll be tomorrow because, as you can tell, well you can't tell actually, it's 9:30 at night and I've just set them on print, so. That one's printing. That one's printing. And all these are going now. On that one though, I'm printing Spider-Man. See how that comes out. That's another one done. Put in there, I need a body. Well, my duck's ready. And it's printed out on the green. So I printed a big duck. And it's come out alright actually, is that green? I did print this on the ADX5. So it does have a couple of little lines in it if you can see, but it's fine. And the black as well has come out alright, so they look alright, them colours, don't they, the green? Anyway, that's another duck for my collection anyway. I'll put them on my shelf because I've started collecting my ducks. As you can see, where have I got? I've got these ducks, look. I got lots of ducks to print. I just like collecting them. They're really good little novelty things, so I'm going to print a load. Finished printing. So someone's just ordered this, so I've just printed it. And this part goes in there. It goes on there, so when you put your cup on it, like, right little ornament, isn't it? Just fill the alphabet box with, what they call them, peanuts. And put that in there. You got to fill that up with peanuts. Job done. There's another one for the post office. Well, the inbox locker. Right, I better get on with the next one that needs packing up. But actually, it's nearly printed. It's a toothbrush holder. So when that's printed up, we'll get that boxed up as well. So shitloads this week. And my next job is these Harry Potter ducks, which they've got quite a way to go yet. Look at poop, it's kicked out already. Just printing some dragon, and then dragons go inside the eggs. We've got a Pokemon ball, that's ready, that goes in there. And in there, we're started printing a keyring stand. And here's the base. got quite a way to go yet, and I've just sold a couple of hedgehogs. And the Harry Potters are still printing, and that's the poop so far. But Spider-Man's ready. Look at that. Look at the quality on that. So clearly, it looks like we're switching to Sunload, doesn't it? So if you'd like some Sunload, links in the description, by the way. But I'm going to crack on printing some more stuff for you. And I've also been making this egg as well. Look, it's got a twisty with a big long dragon inside. And then he goes inside. These were some old filament hanging around, so I printed them. This is just one colour, some rainbow colour or something. And you all know I like my Anna Cubic. That does 4 colours usually. But they've sent me this. So now I'm doing 7 colours. So this is going to be on a future video. I'm just reviewing it at the moment, testing it with all different colours. 7. But you can attach another one of them and print up to 12, 14, you know, you can add 2 or 3 onto that. So let's try the 7 first. Do a few different models while all these are derelicts doing no. And that's it, come out. Good old Harry. Good old Harry. Oh, you know when you're taking your bits off, you somewhere to throw them in here. And then this can come off and then go in the bin. I'll put that back on. It just fastens up underneath. Oh my dear humidifiers full. That's that box that Anna Cubic come in. And also, I've been sent this as well. I'm going to play with this over next week. It's some Cheeto system or something. What it does, it goes on to these A1s. I'm just printing BA Baracus at the moment. But this goes on one of these and basically it automatically prints. So it's got like 5, 6, 7 plates, I can't remember. And basically you just press print and it prints one, spits it out, puts a different plate on it automatically, and then prints another, and spits out a plate and puts another. So it should be a bit easier to keep up with the orders, because these orders are coming like hell. I can't keep up, to tell you the truth. I need about another 20 printers, or I need some kind of print farm software thing. If you know of anything, drop it in comments, because I'm getting too many orders. I'm going to have to put all my websites in holiday mode or something to catch up. But it stops us going away as well. So I'm going to call it a draw on this video. So if you want any Sunlow filament, link's going to be in the description. And also subscribe to the channel if you've liked the video. I know it's only a short, 16, 17 minute video, but it is what it is. I'm not dragging these videos out. There's a lot of prints in there, so if you want any of these files, you know, to print yourself, by all means, you know, drop me a comment and like the videos, etc. I don't think I've said that in this video before, or any other video. Subscribe. I don't see the point anyway. If you like it, you will. If you don't, you don't. Right, I will catch you on the next video, which will probably be next week, because I've got a lot to catch up on. Hell of a lot. I've got the opticians today, I've got the doctors tomorrow, I've got some more orders to print, I've got another 6 coming today, I've got the motorhome to sort out, I've got the trailer to sort out, I've got the food trailer to sort out. I got so much to sort out, too much on my plate, front edge down. So yeah, I will catch you next week. And also drop in the comments, what would you like me to print? Catch you later.